Welcome to a video tutorial on how to search for accommodation letters by course within NSCC's Accommodate system. Accessibility Services has moved to a new modern system called Accommodate to help coordinate supports for students with disabilities. In Accommodate, you can easily view up-to-date academic accommodation letters for all of your students all in one place. You can access Accommodate through Brightspace or directly through the NSCC website. Accommodate uses single sign-on, so if you are already logged into your NSCC account, you won't need to sign in again. However, if prompted to log in, select Faculty on the user screen and enter your NSCC credentials, the same ones used for logging into Microsoft 365. Once you are logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Courses. In the Courses section, you can search for current or past courses. Use the keyword filter to search by course information or filter by semester using the semester drop-down menu. The courses that you are currently teaching will appear below. Once you have selected the course that you are looking for, go to the Enrolled Students tab. Click More Filters and select Yes for approved accommodations for this course. Then click Apply Search. You will now see the most up-to-date accommodations for students enrolled in this course. To exit this view, return to Course Details and click Cancel. If you do not click Cancel, the system will remain in the filtered view. For more information or support, contact Accessibility Services at your campus or email accessibility.services@nscc.ca.